Hey, it's Monica. Guess what? Yes, we have a new Genie script product. I have been hoping for this like you cannot believe. I am so tired of listening to law of attraction. You have no idea how important it is to meditate and have a mindset. Please click like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if anything else you ever do in your life at all, listen to the video I have down there for you. Oh my God. This meditation, manifesting, has unbelievably, without a doubt, got me back in the game. I have 2 real estate properties I am offering. I didn't have anything for the past 3 years, 4 years. I also now am selling insurance, which I thought, oh no, I'm not good for that. I'm selling insurance with PHP. It's a company we'll tell you later. But this meditation, this one, that I am just finding out right now that it's amazing. I've been listening to it and it's just amazing, unbelievable. From who? From my favorite mentor, Wesley Virgin. And if you don't think that it'll work, just try it. Just try it. It's the prescription for the Genie script. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. We're on our way out to Michigan. I've been traveling. There's no fear. There's nothing holding us back. Stop that. You need to listen to yourself when you meditate. You need this word from Wesley. You need this. Try to get it. No, don't try. Get it. It's amazing. I'm listening to him and I'm just, wow, amazing. Okay, guys, see you later. Remember, like, subscribe, and don't even think twice about buying that Genie script. Oh my God, it's just amazing.